Hello everybody. So today I'm showing you how to place a pending order on Metatrader 5 and how to measure pips. So first of all, I need a clean chart. So I click here on the plus. You don't have to do that, but I do it for just have a clean chart. I use the euro, or let's say pound. Let's say euro USD. I'm going because I already have these two here, so I use it from forex.com. Click the plus. So the first thing I want to do is I make my boxes. So Friday 8 for me. This is when the German exchange opens, and I make quick my boxes. I just woke up, so kinda slow today. Sunday. Let's make it like this. And it's a green candle, so the price will go up. Clone. I put this here. Change the opacity so we can clearly see it. Now clone this. Bring it down. Spread. Now for the Euro USD, you can choose this candle when it opens, the 8 o'clock candle, which is Central European time, or you can choose 1 hour later. Right, but I choose always the first one, the 8 o'clock one, Central European time. It's just, you can Google it, when does the German exchange, Frankfurt exchange opens. Then you'll have it for your time zone. Now, and this is also interesting because clearly the box strategy, you could say it didn't work out, right? But it did in the end. It did. Holy moly, it went up. But you would have stayed like for hours in drawdown. I mean, you wouldn't enter the trade here anyway. It went down, down, down. I think 3-4 boxes. Sorry. And then it went up, and it was like at night at 10. Could say it went up. Whatever. So let's say I want to have a pending order. So I go to the 5-minute chart. So we are on the 5-minute chart now. We have our boxes. And it never came into the green here. So my pending order is, let's make a horizontal line. My pending order would be, I mean, here you can see it. It has to close a candle, a full candle, a close, has to be in the green box. So I would place it like here, right? That was here. So this is the price of our pending order. This is the price. And it happens here. But just to showcase you how to measure pips quick, you would enter the price here, and it didn't went up. You went long because we have the green boxes above us. So we buy, we go long. But what the price did was actually it came back down 20 pips. That's a lot because most of the people have their stop loss set at 10 pips. which I'm not a fan of that. It's too tight. I always go with 40 pips stop loss. Now, and yes, I'm day trading. I open my trades and close my trades at the same day. I'm not a swing trader. So you have here a 20 pip loss. But if you have a 40 pip loss stop loss, it would be down here, and it never got hit, right? And it went up a lot, like 150 pips. I think it went up 148 or something. But back to the pending order. So this is the price of our pending order, and let's measure 40 pips. 40. There you go. Let's grab a vertical line, horizontal line, sorry, and place it here. You don't have to be that accurate, but you can be, of course. Let's place it here. Now, what we do here is, oh yeah, and we also need the take profit, and I always get out after 10 pips. So measure it from the price, 10 pips. Come on. Let's go like this. 10 pips. So we have our entry price, we have our stop loss, we have the price of our take profit. But I will show you something about the take profit, because it's trading take profit. You will see what I mean. So now let's go to Metatrader. Here we right click, new order. We change it from the type, we change from market execution to pending order. And it will not work today because it's Sunday, the markets are closed, but I still can show you, right? So the volume is the pips you're trading. Let's say 0.2. The entry price for us, then we go back to trading view. The entry price is this one, above, in the green box, a little bit above the green box. It's 1.16183. 1. Oh, this is, oh my god, it's British pounds, sorry. Euro USD, of course. New order. Change the lots. Oh, pending order. Change the lots. I told you, I just woke up, I'm a little bit tired. The price was 16. The price is the entry. So 16,181. 181. The stop loss is at here, 1.15783. Oh my god. So 1.1518. Yeah, you can leave it like 181. 15783. So 781. You can leave it like that. And the take profit we have up here, it's 10 pips, 1.16286. 16286. 16286. There you go. And if this is gray, like here, because if you open the pending order, it's automatically on buy stop, so you cannot place it. You have to put it on buy limit, then it works. And you just click on place, and if the price hits this price, it opens the trade for you. But for now it doesn't work because the markets are closed. It's Sunday. And now I forgot, of course, the trading stop loss is when the price goes up to 10 pips. If you see if it goes up like here, you can put your stop loss above here, above your entry price, however you want it, like $5. If the price comes down again, let's say it goes down here, it comes back up, and it hits your end, it hits the pending order, so your trade is open now, and it goes up like this, right? And you have put your stop loss down there because it's a trailing stop loss. Now you break even. It goes back up here, and it can move up way higher, so you will make more than 10 pips, of course. But if the price goes against you and it goes down, you will not lose money because your stop loss is already at break even or like $5 profit or something like that, right? And to get all these, because you don't know it will be a big move like this or it will be go up way more, you just make a second box. Sorry. You just make a, let's say here, second box. So delete this. If the price goes into the second box, you put your stop loss up here. Let's say to the 10 pips or about the 10 pips. Your stop loss, you put it up here. It's a trading stop loss. And you just follow the price up. Because if it comes down again, you will be in profits anyway. So thanks for watching and have a blessed Sunday.